today to unbox these Raycons. They are everyday headphones, serious, wireless. We're gonna see what they're about. Wireless and then go Bluetooth on my phone. And how you open it. Put the box up. Slide out. Slide out. See the box. Raycon, you know, this radio stuff. I seen them little earbuds I had seen the headphones. But I had snapped them. They about 100. Going. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little power up. I don't know what that is. Like a TV. A nice little black box. Let's see what it is. This is just the instructions. On a little paper that comes with it. A little Raycon sticker or whatever. I don't know, man. Let's get the headphones and stuff. Headphones itself, these are them. Raycon right there. I got the R on, wireless. They go, they fold in like this. Fold in like this. You know, my head kind of big with the you know. Fold more like that, rocking, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go, you know what you gotta do. You turn them on. Buttons right here on the side. That's the up and down button. Let's see. It might pick up wireless. I got my phone right here. Let's see if I can pick it up. Wireless. Bluetooth. I ain't really no instruction. Probably gotta turn it on somewhere. Charge it up. There you go. It's a button right here. You see that green light come on? Green light came on. I don't see it.